Yep, 1 minute candle rule. Lucy going back to the upside. Thank you. This is right here, Lucy. This is a buyer's candle right here, that wick. Move your stops up. Still looking good. My stop would be right now about $1.05. Now I'd move my stop up. My stop now would be $1.09. You see how I'm doing that? Continuing to climb. Now my stop is at $1.14. $1.14, not financial tax or investment advice. Use your own risk to reward ratio. Now my stop is at $1.17. Now my stop is at $1.20 and holding. I hope you're listening to the sound of my voice. This is how you trade this trade. Now my stop's $1.23. Let it work a little bit. Stops me out. I don't care. Oh, it held above $1.23. Still above it. Don't care. That's where you want to be. I want to stay above the previous candle. Boom. Here we go. Now my stop's going to be moved up to $1.24. Nice. Risk to reward. Now we're starting to get sellers right here. We'll see. This should probably stop you out, but we'll see. $1.24 would be where my stop is. Just my opinion. You can put it anywhere you want, whatever your risk tolerance is. Boom, and I'd be out of the trade. Congratulations. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. You got it. We got an extra 30 cents out of it, 24 cents on the halt. We got in that nice, juicy stop. We were protecting ourselves the whole way, inching it up. Using about a 7 cent or so. By the way, that's what I was using, about 7 cents inside of there. And that's what we were going with. Inching. And I told you, if it can't hold this previous body, lights out. So we had $1.24 set up. Look at this break. Gone. And then you got into a halt. So here's the thing. Everybody that listened, you're all high-fiving each other. Everybody that didn't right now, who's not speaking up, and now you're stuck in a halt. Now you are in real trouble because the circuit breakers kick to the downside. You might not be able to get in a stop now, and it can circuit break, and you've lost all your money because you didn't listen to the sound of my voice. So let's fess up time. Did anybody not listen when I said to move it to $1.24? Show of hands. Did anybody not listen?
I'd move it to 21. I didn't go that high.
Okay, well, that's all right. I mean, it costed you 3 cents, but that's okay. Yeah. It was your risk tolerance, man. That's good. At least you had it in there, right? Well, remember, so 1109 was the buy, right?
Yes.
So this was support. Did you buy the
I made my 1,000 off it today, but now I'm out.
Okay. So you did what? You bought a cash secured put on the bottom and you just sold it up here on the top?
No, I bought a cash secured put yesterday.
Okay.
But I had shares and I'm out. But now I'm just wondering, okay, between now and say next week,
sure,
where do I go with this?
Yeah. So next week's going to be sketch. Now remember, we're just going to trade the trades. So today above 1150, you can go long on the short term day trade only. Let me repeat this for all of you in the room. If you're not buying leaps, year plus out, you're day trading this thing, right? Because the knife can drop, news can come out, anything can happen. Be very careful. I'm trying to set you guys up for success. If you're not buying leaps, you guys are just day trading this thing because this is a monster. With monsters, they're extra volatile. They're extremely dangerous. The closer we get to split day, the more this has a chance of pulling back. I told you all to treat it like earnings, which means you drives up to earnings by a couple days. And the split, by the way, is happening, is it the 6th? Next Thursday. So anytime next week, you could have a knife drop, you could have pulls, or it could continue to run, but we got to err on the side of caution. Okay. This always happens into earnings. It will drive up to close to a couple days or a week out. So the closer we get to split day, the more dangerous this becomes. So treat this thing like you would every single day. Don't get it confused. Lucy is live to
Okay.
the
I'll let you have it.
downside.
Thank you.
Right here, looking for support on Lucy at $1 even, which makes sense. It's a whole number. If Lucy can't hold $1, this thing's lights out. Goodbye. Hasta la vista. See you later. But I'm telling you right now, if this can't hold, I'd have a real tight stop. So I would have bought it $1 because it's a whole number, and I'd have had an extremely tight stop because if it can't hold $1, it's lights out. That's how this works in this scalping world. And just like this, if it continues to climb, you scoot up, 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 you scoot up till it triggers. Congratulations. Yes? Great. Good job. Good job.